This is the Bookshop Memories Book Nook Kit by Cutebee. I've never done a Book Nook kit before, so I just wanted to open this up and show you what is inside. Now this is what it's going to look like once it's all assembled. You can see on the back here, it's going to be so beautiful. Now it's supposed to be pretty easy for a beginner. It comes in this nice cardboard box, and I love how all of the little supplies come in this cute little pouch. Now here are the pieces for the building for the inside and the different pieces that you punch out. And here are the stickers that go on all of the little books. And here's like a little rug, different things that you hang on the wall and stuff. And then you also get an instruction booklet, and it shows you how to assemble each of the pieces. Now here we have the double-sided laser cut pieces. As you can see, this is the inside. These are the pictures that are on the wall. Here it looks like a door. And then this is the outside wall. Look how ornately this is laser cut. Now here's a beautiful bookcase. Look at how nice this is. Oh, and here's a little kitty cat. In a follow-up video, I'll show you what this looks like completely assembled. Isn't this gorgeous? Now here's some little stickers. This looks like a little doorknob. And then you get a file to file down the edges of the little wood pieces. Here's some acetate. I'm sure this is probably for the doors. Here is the battery compartment for your light and the wiring. And this looks like an acetate cover, probably for the top to prevent dust from coming in. I'm super excited to try this Bookshop Memories and put it together. I can't wait to show it to you once I'm finished. If you'd like to check out one of these book nooks for yourself, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box down below. I think this kit is awesome, and I think you will too.